Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of correlation coefficient between old random variables and new random variables and also determine covariance of old random variables. This is the previous examination question. The example is, let capital X and capital Y be statistically independent random variables with x bar is equal to 3 by 4 x square bar. X square bar mean expectation of x square is 4, y bar is 1, y square bar mean expectation of y square value is 5. For a random variable w is equal x minus 2y plus 1, then calculate r suffix xy. R suffix xy mean correlation of x and y, and second bit is r suffix xw. So find out the correlation between x and w, and third bit find out c suffix xy and verify x and y are uncorrelated or not. Coming to the solution, given that capital X and capital Y are statistically independent random variables and mean value of x is 3 by 4, mean square value of x is 4, and mean value of random variable y is 1, mean square value of random variable y is 5. So first calculate correlation between random variables x and y. So we know that r suffix xy is equal to expectation of xy. So now here given that capital X and capital Y are statistically independent random variable. So expectation of product of random variables is equal to product of their individual expectation. So that is expectation of xy is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. So given that expectation of x value is 3 by 4, expectation of y value is 1. So 3 by 4 into 1 is equal to 3 by 4. That is the first bit solution. And second bit solution. So find out the r suffix xw. We know that r suffix xw is equal to expectation of xw. So given that the random variable w is defined as x minus 2y plus 1. So multiplying x within the bracket term, expectation of x square minus 2xy plus x. And after that, on RHS side applying the expectation property, expectation of sum of random variables is equal to sum of their individual expectation. So Rxw is equal expectation of x square minus 2 expectation of xy plus expectation of x. So given that expectation of x square value is 4 minus 2 into expectation of xy value is 3 by 4. So now your expectation of xy value already calculated in the first bit, and its value is 3 by 4 plus expectation of x value is 3 by 4. So simplifying, reducing RHS term, we get r suffix xw is 3.25. And next third bit, find out r suffix yw. So we know that r suffix yw is equal expectation of yw. So given that w is defined as x minus 2y plus 1 and substitute that value into here, and after that multiplying within the bracket term, we get r suffix yw is equal expectation of xy minus 2 expectation of y square plus expectation of y. So in the first bit, expectation of xy is calculated and its value is 3 by 4 minus 2 into, given that expectation of y square value is 5 plus given that expectation of y value is 1. Simplifying this RHS term, and its value is minus 8.25. And third bit solution, find out the covariance between x and y. We know that the covariance between x and y is covariance of x comma y is equal expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. So expectation of xy is already calculated in the first bit. Okay. Given that x and y are the statistically independent random variable, the condition of the statistically independent random variable is expectation of product of random variables is equal to product of their individual expectation. And substitute this condition into this equation, the covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. So therefore, hence the random variables x and y are uncorrelated random variables.